to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for watching this video, for choosing to watch this video. If you're a returnee, if you are a golden oldie, thank you so much for watching another video. I really appreciate you. Listen, Gibuyile, I'm back with another Temu video, and yeah, let's just get right into it. I just discovered, by the way, that Temu doesn't deliver to South Africa, which is like so weird, and I was so hurt because I was just there saying, you know what, all of the people that like affordable stuff are about to eat. And bandla shame. For those that don't know, Temu is like it's like Shein when Shein was like still starting out, you know. I think I've shared before that there are some things that are on Shein that you can find on Temu for a very low price, and for me that's just the best thing ever. Not everything, some things you do find them, and it's, I don't want to say it's the same quality because I've never like bought something from Shein and bought something from Temu and compared, but it's good stuff. Like, you could literally get a lot of money off by buying it from Temu. Their stuff is pretty decent. I love the shoes, I love the clothes, I love the accessories. Appliances and electronics, not really. If you're new to my channel and this is your first video, I would recommend that you go back and watch the other 2 videos that I made that are about Temu. I've reviewed a couple of stuff from them. Let's see what else. I've also shared that Temu has this really cool refund thing whereby if, for example, you buy an item and it has not been delivered yet to you, and then it goes on sale maybe like a couple of days later or whatever before they deliver, then you are able to request a refund of the difference. Returns are pretty quick, delivery is very fast. I ordered this box on Sunday and today is Thursday, so it took like 3.5 days to get to me, and I absolutely love that. It was Sunday night, so I don't exactly count Sunday. Almost forgot. I'm gonna show you what I paid this time. Another perk that Temu has is that they will literally give you discounts for days. I always have discounts. So first up, I got this one piece. I really like the fit. It has a ribbed material thingy going on there. I'm a bit worried about it because I've started losing weight. I went back to the gym, so I've started losing weight, and I'm not exactly sure if like because some of the things that I bought were like extra large. I'm not sure if in like 3 months I will be able to fit in those things, because yeah, kuhamba kahle. Second thing that I got were these leggings. I wanted like staple basic leggings. With these ones, they are kind of they're ripped, but they kind of see through also, which is it's not a good thing. Also with the color on the app is slightly different from this color. I'm not mad, but I think I'm gonna return it because I feel like for the price that I got it for, I don't think it's like worth it, so I'm probably gonna return this. Another thing that I got, I'm a bit confused. I order most of my stuff at night, so sometimes I get really confused and then I end up ordering like the wrong sizes. Not that it's wrong, it's the right size, because for most of like my clothes, my old clothes, it's like larges and extra larges. That's how bad the weight gain was. I got these and they fit, but as I did say, I've already started losing weight, so I feel like these don't exactly fit like they're supposed to fit. So I'm gonna return them and I'm gonna size down and probably find another design. I'm not mad at this, but I'm not exactly happy with it. I got these, they called tights here, but mina now siyazi pantyhose. Oh, so I got these. They are in this pattern. I really like them. So they fit legs, thighs, but they don't exactly go over the bum. I don't want to return them. I'm going to have faith and I'm going to trust that my body is going to fit into these at some point in the next few weeks. The main reason why I decided to order again from Temu was because I needed like a jacket and I needed some shapewear. So I got 4. Yeah, I got 4. So this one is the bam bam cutouts. Yeah, I feel like with all the options that I got, everything doesn't fit ngalendlela engifuna ifithe ngayo. So I'm just gonna return them and I'm gonna get smaller sizes. I think I like this, I'm not sure. Then I got these thermal ones, mainly for the gym, because you know what, we want to sweat while we move, you know. I literally chose an extra large and they look so big. I gained weight, yes, but I don't think I'm this big. So these are very big. I feel like this one is very tight around this area. Also, it doesn't have a strong hold at the top. It doesn't have a strong hold and this will definitely hurt. So I'm gonna return this. I got this ripped one. This is a very confusing tight pair of tights. With this one, I like the hold. It's very strong at the top, but I've decided that I need to size down. Next thing that I got are these fire leather pants. I'm really happy with them for this price because leather stuff is very expensive. Then the star of the show, a lot of people have been buying this jacket from Zara, ne? I remember at some point someone on Twitter mentioned Uti Shein has it, and I went and I looked for it at Shein and I remember I couldn't find it, ne? I think it was probably like sold out, but it was not on the app at all. And I remember the one that I found didn't have sleeves, but it was the same one. And then one day I went to Temu. It was expensive as fuck, but it's still so worth it. What? Maybe I'm lying phela ngoba phela uZara asazi ukuthi angeke ngazi ukuthi like uZara uzenza kanjani impahla zakhe, but I'd like to believe ukuthi this is the same jacket that you would find at Zara. This is the same kind of, is this leather or is this pleather? But with this one I feel like I won. And if you have access to Temu, please, I'm gonna try and find a link it in the description down below. Run, because when Temu runs out of like stuff, for example this jacket, it's gonna take time for them to restock. So I need you to run right now and get this jacket. The last star of the show, it's this very nice bag. Hey, added to my bag collection. It looked great on the app. It looks even better in person. It does have a long strap. I'm very excited to style this bag. I got some tattoo stickers. I got these for a shoot. So I thought I was filming, but clearly I was not. Then I got 2 pairs of stick-on nails. as you know, I've just decided to move to getting stick-on nails done, doing it myself, because as I did say, angibathemba belungu and anginayo imali. And I got like a bunch of like accessories. I got like cuffs, I got bracelets, I got a couple of necklaces, got a lot of rings, and I got a pair of earrings. I am really happy with everything. I want to wear the stuff for the next, like every day for maybe the next 2 weeks. I just want to test the quality out and just make sure it's right. Obviously they should be, but I just want to make sure it's right. And yeah, I got a couple of like cute old young woman old young woman pieces, and I'm really happy about them. If you really like these hauls and you want me to buy more stuff to review, whether from Temu or from another shop that is probably cheaper than Temu and Shein combined, then you can just leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe, like my shit, share the video if you can, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.